I'm a high school technology and engineering teacher, and we're always looking for new methods to educate students and parents about our course offerings and the career opportunities that exist within the engineering field and the trades. JC Marketing has been instrumental in our marketing campaigns over the past several years. They have evolved our way of thinking out of the mundane and into the extraordinary. They are a caring, compassionate company that listens to our needs. They are forthright and they're honest with their recommendations to move our marketing ideas forward and make us stand out. Over the years, they have had a direct impact on the way I think about things, and I find myself often saying, what would JC Marketing do? Their creative design talent is phenomenal and really makes us stand out. From career fairs and parent forums to facility tours and even our department's annual car show, JC Marketing has been there to support our initiatives and help us deliver our message to the community about what we have to offer. I feel that they are a company that truly cares about us and our mission, and it's not a company that's just simply in it for themselves. They have continually gone above and beyond, and I know they are always thinking about how they can help us even after a project is done.